the thing that you guys have been requesting the most. You guys wanted to see us try balut.
I want to know what it is.
It's a duck egg.
A duck egg?
A duck egg,
what
yeah.
A dead duck? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We're Cav and
Nicole. And if you're new here to our channel and it's your first time watching us, we actually just moved to the Philippines. It's so loud, that's how you know we're in the Philippines. But we actually just moved to the Philippines last month with our daughter, our baby daughter. She's only 11 months old, and our dog. So we live here full time now, and we're documenting our entire journey here on our YouTube channel. So make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already, because we're posting a lot of cool videos of the Philippines and it's gonna be super exciting.
Today is a highly requested video. We're going to eat street food. Like, we've seen a lot of you guys in the comments telling us different places to go. We're going to one of the biggest street food places in Manila. It's
called QUIAPO Market, you guys, and my mom actually told me about it. So she's coming with us today and we're gonna eat all the street food at QUIAPO Market. So wish us luck, you guys. That's gonna be today's video, and you guys requested this one a lot, so make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell button to stay tuned on all our Philippine vlogs, and join us on our journey.
Punta kami ngayon sa QUIAPO Church. Paglabas doon, mayroong street food. Gusto nila i-vlog. So, we'll see. We're gonna have fun, and I hope you like it. So, please like and subscribe.
So, are you excited to try street food today, Mommy?
Yes, I am.
What's your favorite?
Favorite is sotanghon.
Oh, that's street food?
Yeah, they have sotanghon there.
Oh, okay.
QUIAPO Church. Please like and subscribe. You're gonna enjoy this video.
This is my mom's first time vlogging with us since we've been in the Philippines, so say hi to my mom.
Yes, and I know it's gonna be fun.
We're driving through Santa Mesa right now, and my mom went to college in this area.
Yes.
So it's like super nostalgic for her.
Yes, I went to the Ocampo Memorial College of Dentistry, and then my prep was in University of the East in Claro Embracto. Yes.
That's good, Mommy. That's awesome.
I'm gonna own this vlog soon.
I know.
Joke lang po. And then I used to ride the jeepney. And one time, sumakay ako sa jeepney. I wasn't even sitting down yet, and the driver moved, and I dropped right on the floor. Boom.
Guys, we just got here. We are at QUIAPO Church, and we just got out of the Grab, and we're actually walking to the back of the church because apparently that's where all the street food is, you guys. Apparently this is a really big church here. My mom is like excited to see the church.
Church right now?
Yeah, they go to church every day here.
This is our national flower right there.
You go to church every day?
Yeah, every day. You wanna go? Hindi na, kuya. Later.
100 lang naman, ma'am. Pabidar niya sa kanila yan, ma'am.
Mamaya naman po, kuya.
Ay, marunong pala kayo.
Opo. Thank you, kuya.
Mamaya po, ma'am.
Okay.
I was actually just thinking I wish I had coffee, and I see a coffee stand right there. So I think the first thing I'm gonna buy you guys is coffee. We need some coffee to wake up.
That Grab ride kind of put me to sleep.
It took us about almost 40 minutes to get here because there was some traffic. So we need to wake up. We need coffee. Look at this screen, you guys. It's like really cool. Look at the church.
Church. QUIAPO Church. Lord have mercy.
What you like here, Cap?
This expression, espressos are only available in
Oh, grande. Okay, that's okay. Can I have two? Yeah, Thank you.
2 caramel macchiatos. 210. receive 1,000.
Guys, it's super crowded here. This is a big like outdoor market. I didn't know it was like this. Oh, really? Oh, wow. She said the lanzones is cheap here. So we're just walking around now looking for some street food. Right now we see a bunch of like just vendors selling fruit and people selling clothes and that kind of stuff.
Ano, Amy, pakuha ng bayan? Kwek-kwek. I don't know. Ano yung kwek-kwek?
Pugo.
Ah, itlog. Itlog ng pugo. Small eggs.
Wanna try? This one.
Dito ka.
So we're trying kwek-kwek, you guys. He's making it right now. He's adding some sauce. We're gonna try kwek-kwek for the first time, you guys. This is what it looks like. Try it. Is it good?
It's good.
It is good.
I like it.
First time trying kwek-kwek. And I don't know what this sauce is, you guys. I think it's like onions. I'm not sure. It is raining, you guys, so we're standing under a bridge right now and we see some street food right across the street. So we just found another street food stand. Hello po.
So I'm about to try this right here.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
Good? And we have camote. It's like very sticky, you guys, so it's kind of hard to get it out, but this is what it looks like. This is good. Camote, try it. Super sticky. Try it. It's sweet. And it's good. And this is banana cube. Okay. This is good. I like this a lot, you guys. This is delicious.
I like this better.
You like this one better? Okay. This is a success.
What is below?
But it's just hi.
Don't lie.
With the with the duck, with the
We'll just try it first.
inside, right?
Alright guys, so this is the
Duck
thing.
what? Duck inside?
Duck eggs. This is the thing that you guys have been requesting the most. You guys wanted to see us try
What is it?
balut.
I want to know what it
It's
is.
a duck egg.
A duck
So,
egg?
a duck egg,
What is
yeah.
it? A dead duck?
No. It's just a duck egg. Masarap, diba?
I want to try it.
Sarap. It's good. It's delicious.
Well, you can try it first.
Okay. Just one.
Isa lang, te.
Yeah. Thank you.
Open it.
Take the shell off.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
I don't want that.
I'm scared to eat it.
No, it's not.
Smell it, you guys.
It's delicious. Even try it.
Just taste
Eat it
it.
first.
No, just
You
taste
had
it.
it?
Filipino, unless you eat that.
I don't want to eat that.
Just try. Yeah, I'm a pasta. Very delicious. Try. That's what I did here.
to.
Just do it. Go.
Don't be a chicken.
This is, don't be a duck. You gonna try it too?
Go, go.
You gonna try it next after me? Have you tried it before?
Yeah.
I don't believe you.
Go ahead. Alright guys, Cav's gonna try balut for the first time. He's a little nervous, so wish him luck. Go ahead, Cav.
It's good? Is it good? I'm
Ready?
scared.
You can do it, you can do it. You can do it. It's delicious.
I don't want to try it. But no, I didn't try it.
How does it taste?
Huh?
How
I
does
didn't
it
try it.
taste?
I didn't try it.
Just drink the juice.
Baby. Give me put on the show. Yeah.
Anong pangalan mo?
Shello.
Cello.
Cello. Ito si Nicole.
Hello.
Si Cap.
Hello, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
He's trying balut for the first time.
Oh, that's good.
But he's scared.
Because I don't know what it is.
Alright, just taste it. Just
Alright.
taste it.
It's alright.
Don't really like it? It's okay.
You said what?
Thank you. Thank you.
Here,
You're gonna try it again?
Thank you.
Did you eat?
What's this?
Alcohol.
Okay guys, I think that's all I want to try for now. Hi. Hi. So we just basically drank the juice. We didn't really eat it because we're a little bit scared, you guys. I'm super picky when it comes to food, but honestly, the flavor of the juice tastes pretty good. Are you supposed to actually eat the egg?
Yeah, and the chicken inside.
Oh, okay.
Alive.
Yeah, I'm not eating it.
We just drank the juice, you guys, but maybe next time we'll try to actually eat the whole thing. I hope we didn't disappoint you, but the juice tastes good, so thank you. Salamat po. Oh yeah.
I tried my best, man, to eat it, but I couldn't. I don't know what's inside. I don't know if it's a live egg or not, but maybe next time. I'm still getting used to certain foods and stuff. But this time I couldn't do it, man.
Enough? Mountain dito. Royal lang. Yung hindi ang royal.
Yes, girl.
Good.
Good, huh?
Really good.
It's famous, as somebody told us.
It's good. I like this a lot. Try this one.
Is this sweet? Sweet?
Ano lasa? Sweet? Matamis?
Yeah.
Matamis. Okay, it's sweet. It's sweet.
So I'm gonna try this. What's it called?
Lumpiang ubod.
Won't be young people.
Mix it, Steven. Mix it all up.
Yeah, this is really good, guys. I like this.
This is really, really good, you guys. Thank you.
These are all vloggers.
Do you have some stick? Do you have some sticker?
Huh?
Sticker. Do you have some sticker?
Yeah, we don't. We left them at home.
Noel
We
vlog.
left them at home.
Wow, so this is famous?
Yeah.
Like very famous?
I'm famous too.
You're famous too?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name?
Pogi. What's your ethnicity?
Half Filipino, half American.
American.
Yeah.
I look for Filipino.
Loob o labas?
He's also Filipino, half.
Joke lang po.
Joke lang po.
Oh,
Sa Tagalog?
I know some words because of
some
her.
words.
only a little bit.
I'm just saying.
What's up?